a Jet 2 holiday. Alright, what's up, besties? It's your bestie here, idenity, and I'm back with another video. Pushing content. I'll push it content. It's gonna be one of those days. But as you can see on the title of this video, welcome to my maintenance Olympics for my birthday. It's my birthday. I'm doing a Besties. It's my birthday. Turn me up, get me lit. So today is Wednesday. It's currently 6:58. I got off at 4:30 in the morning. And I'm heading to Orlando to go get my hair done. I'm getting me a cute little bob. What's your name? B.O.B. So you calling you Bob? Excuse me, ma'am. Your bob is fine. Not a bob that go.
She made her bob now.
So that's what we're doing. I'm super tired, so once I get a little energy going, get some food, let's just pray that I don't fall asleep on the road. That's another situation. That's gonna be a situation that I don't want, so we're gonna pray that we don't do that. We just get to where we need to go, do what we need to do, get this hair done. Hopefully it's not an all-day thing. I'm thinking that it's not gonna be an all-day thing, since she's telling me to get there 4 hours, but 4.5 hours before I just got off work. Well, not like she just told me, but like telling me to get somewhere, but with only a couple hours of sleep. So we gonna see. Yeah, what else I got plans while I'm here? So today, Wednesday, I'm getting my hair done, sewing, sewing, boom, okay, thank you. And then I'm getting my eyebrows and my nails done on Friday. Today's 13th, 14th, which is the 15th. My birthday is on the 17th, which is a Sunday. I may or may not be getting my makeup done. I kind of want to spend the rest of the days that I'm off trying to do my own makeup. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribing. Make sure you're clicking that bell button to be notified every time that I post. I post every Wednesday, every Friday at 7:30 p.m. Today is Wednesday, so happy Pushing Content Wednesday. I got my doobie thing on. Y'all literally got off work, took a shower, packed my content bag, picked out my clothes. I always try to put on when I know I have to get somewhere. Oh, Sasha, relax. I always know when I have to like go somewhere that's gonna be like quick. I just try to already like have my clothes picked out, so I just put them on. It's always easy something to slip on. But this time I definitely did that. I put on the clothes that I was gonna wear and just threw the jacket on. So that's what it's kind of giving. It's giving face with a little bit of mustache. It's giving face with like peanut. It's cute. It's kind of cute. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go listen to some music and think about my life. Oh, it was Messy Monday, so I might watch Messy Monday, watch Lex P, like type Messy Monday, then that'll like kill some time. I think Messy Monday was at least an hour. So we're gonna listen. I don't necessarily watch because I am driving, but I'm listening to it. Somebody text me. I gotta get my. Okay, yeah, I gotta go. A little update. I did give me some of the grill. Thank you. I'm still wearing my so tired. Still wearing my so dead. So that's just a little update for y'all. Excuse me, ma'am. Your bob is fire. Yeah. Thank you. Let's get to the bag. Hold on. Thank you. Get into the blind. Raw bundles. Thank you. Look. Yup. Okay, let me make one on here. Cause this bob gonna go right at the a little young. Alright. My purse looks saggy. Okay. Alright. Grab that thing. You don't even see the pink no more.
No, because it's really faded off. Hey, it's how with you something.
What's that?
That's me, Miss 20-something. You don't have to spend no time. Lie, you don't have to
Run that shit back.
What you got is good, that's why. Sometimes you do me right, I was right here. Show you what the word being loyal is. It's been 8 years, we don't got no kids. We've been through hella shit and that's why it's sad that you don't know me. Somebody who loves you, looking for a new somebody who does. A real kind of man, and if you gotta have a lot of paper, you gotta play my part. Stuck with you on your blue sky, stuck with you in the dark. This shit smacking, she was a fairy with a fatty on my daddy. He wanna grab it. Dance up for money, do what you want me to do. We that was crazy. We crazy.
Yeah, I like this slow though.
I can't even picture myself fucking on Lil Cody.
Alright, so I just finished doing a clothing haul for Fashion Nova. Make sure y'all watch that YouTube short and that TikTok and that Instagram reel. I will get back with y'all tomorrow. I don't really know what I'm doing tomorrow. I do know that Thursday I clean up. I'm doing pretty good with the cleanup. I just gotta fold up some clothes. House looking clean, fridge still a little full. So yeah, my clothing haul, it was okay. It was a little mid. A couple outfits I think I want to return, but I'm just not sure, so I don't want to go through all that with Fashion Nova and then they want you to pay for shipping. So I might keep it, but then again I don't want to keep it because then I'm not gonna wear it. So yeah. Oh, I can add. What's up, Bestie? It's your Bestie here, Egna, and I'm back with another video. I'm kidding. Hey y'all, it's day 2 of sorry. Hey y'all, it's day 2 of girl, don't piss me off with this fucking camera. Hey y'all, it's day 2 of what am I doing? Oh, of my birthday Olympics, maintenance Olympics. Today it's not really like yeah, I guess you could say it's Olympics. I don't really know. It's not really giving it. I should have got my lashes done, wax, and all that other stuff, but I didn't. So it's gonna just be a maintenance. So today I'm getting my nails done. Okay, none popped off. Thank you. Look at that new growth though. Okay, make sure y'all book. Thank you. Today we are going to go get our nails done, and then I'm going to go get my eyebrows done. I get my nails done at 10. I'm getting my eyebrows done at 1, and then I'm sliding to the shop real quick so my godmom can like bump my bob out, and then we put on a little shink the ring, a little boom, you know, and then that's it. And that's on who the pissy panty of grandma. So that is what we're doing. I did bring these clusters because I'm gonna see if my godmama can try to like figure out how we can figure out how to do these clusters. She said I really could probably do it myself, and she's probably right, but I be having to put my mind to it. So I'm gonna try to put these clusters on today because I still wanted to mink when I blink on my birthday. Y'all can't even see me, hold on. So I can mink when I blink on my birthday. Skin is getting clear. What else? That's it. Tomorrow I guess I can like vlog like my birthday activities. Tomorrow well we 2 days away from my birthday. My birthday on Sunday. Today is Friday. Tomorrow we check into our hotel. We're just going to Orlando, honey. What we doing, I don't really know. I wanted to go to this Black Joy Festival that's at Lake Leonard-Doon. Shout out to Lake Leonard-Doon. It's my old job. Thank you. Shout out to Tisha. Thank you. city of Orlando in general loves working there. And y'all just got paid, girl, a little bit more. I would have stayed. Yeah, so that's going on. This Sunday, I think we're going to dinner, like a little fancy dinner, dress up. So I am getting my makeup done. So I guess that'll be a part of that vlog. It won't be a part of the business vlog. It's not really business. But I did bring my makeup today because hopefully I bump into somebody at the shop that know how to do their makeup, and maybe they can help me label my brushes. As maybe I could probably like figure out how to do my own makeup. I really feel like I could do it myself. It's just I want a certain look. Like I want to look like Mona Leo. I want to look like, well, Mona Leo's not a good depiction because like we don't have the same type of facial features. I don't think. Nah, we don't got the same facial feature. Whoever got the same facial features as me and their face be beat, that's what I'm trying to give. Like I'm trying to give soft beat, soft gown, lip liner, lip gloss, eyebrow snatch, contour snatch, and that's it. A little blush, little blush. Matte it down because your girl get oily in the T-zones, and then that's it. But yeah, that's it, and no flashbacks, because I don't want to look like a casket, like I'm casket fresh. But that's it, that's all. I'll call y'all back when I get to the nail shop. We're gonna get some content today because Imani be playing and we trying to act shy. We not acting shy. But y'all see this piece of my hair right here? Let me tell y'all, I wrapped my hair, but my hair's been wrapped since I got it done. I got it done on Wednesday and today's Friday. So yeah, that's another reason why I need to go back to the shop, because that gotta go. Normally my hair does a little shake-a-dink like that, but it'll like the sun will bump it out. So we're gonna see, but yeah, that's about it. But care about y'all. Hope make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hope y'all enjoying this video, and I'll catch back with y'all later.
I'm a Papa Zach dead in his eyes, but I'm not gonna block him just yet because I still got some questions I wanna know why.
Yeah, ungrateful little bitch, I take that ass off. Give me them titties back, bitch. Alright, so I just got my nails done. Final view. Big mama. Okay, I gotta get my eyebrows done. Need to be out in that area. I got an hour though. Jesus. Can I take a video out in the sun? I don't know why you don't be trying to do my content. Well, I like the sun. That's what you Oh, I didn't know that's what you meant. Say. Alright, so we oh, I gotta show you my toes. I did black toes, cut my life to pieces. This is my last result. So I'm feeling emo. Thank you. Toes done, nails done. Okay, we done. Now I gotta go get my eyebrows done, snatch and datch. Then go back to the shop, get my hair flattened. Cause my bald, oh, okay, the sun done bumped that part out. But my bob, I need to be always, excuse me, man, your bob is fat. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna insert that video too. Excuse me, your bob is fat. I gotta take my picture of my nails. My nails cute as fuck. She did that. This commemorates us 1 year. I've been with Imani getting my nails done for a year now. I went to her my last birthday. So yeah. What are we doing? I'm call you back. Shit on. Alright, this is the before of my eyebrows. Okay, hold on. Let me give y'all a real before eyebrows. Okay. They're not that bad though. She shaped them up pretty good the last time. But before. Oh, I didn't even do it after my eyebrows. This is my eyebrows giving. But look at my meat when I blink. Yo, book me. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna end the vlog off here. I started doing my lashes with clusters. Super cute. But I'm definitely gonna end it off here. A lot has happened and transpired. That's why y'all haven't seen me. Somebody just tried to steal my identity. So nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. Thank you for watching. Care about y'all. See y'all in the next video in my birthday vlog. Bye, besties. Love you. Bye.